this will be the announcement of the next mark, and you have questions. So, how big it will be, how high it will be, how many bigs it will use. So you can see this is the thickness. I have 6 of these green 32 by 32 brace plates, and I'm gonna have 2 more here, and the height is like this, and it's not a problem if it goes like too big, so two or 3 bigs higher. So it's a big problem how many bigs it will use. So it will use, I think, more than 4 or 5, but I'm not sure. I'm just guessing. And you can see this is Scarif in parts. So what it will be, you can guess, because it's some things here that you can guess. So you can leave it in the comments down below. What do you think? And it's the announcement, so I'm gonna tell you right now. So my next mark will be Mustafa system. I wanted that planet to build like, I don't know, 1 year ago when I built Scarif, and then I think I would take it apart and build Mustafa.